Hola people, Slay here, aka the beauty plug, all that connects you to your beautiful. And on this What's New Wednesday, we're going to talk about something that has been very hyped up, and I don't know why I'm just getting it and where I was, but it's a fragrance that's giving very much gourmand. It's a niche gourmand fragrance that it's the girlies and the boys are talking about on TikTok and all over. And so if you are interested in finding out about Bianco Latte and what my thoughts are, and if it's worth the coin, and should you splurge or save, or is it a slay or a stay, then come on now, you know what to do. Okay, y'all, hey, so forgive my last What's New Wednesday was posted late, and I told y'all because in the video I was like, listen, I got a little injury, okay? I posted that, I recorded that video prior to me having surgery, fell, hurt my hand, 10 days later, wound up going to see a hand specialist because I still wasn't having sensation in my finger, and come to find out, I severed one of the nerves in my hand, and then once I got on the operating room table, they found glass still in my hand because I fell and shattered my hand on 2 big wine glass bottles. So now your girl is, you know I talk in my hands, your girl is a little bit out of commission. But that ain't gonna stop me from bringing out a tea on the tea on the tea, okay? So now this next fragrance, I'm about to talk about, is been hyped up. I was watching, I believe it was Sharita and some other YouTubers talk about it, and I was like, I gotta bring it. Y'all have to know about it. Like, what? So, oh, and sidebar, shout out to NYX. Okay, they just had a sale for this fat lip drip oil. Okay, I was trying to see if this was a dupe for the Dior lip oil, because $40, I don't really think that it's, you know. And so this is in the color Supermodel. I feel like my lips look luscious. Anyway, so I went and found this. It's by Giardini di Toscana, okay? And it's called Bianco Latte, okay? Which stands for white latte or white, you know, whatever. So I got this fragrance from Lucky Scents, and let me see how much coins, excuse the shaking of the camera. Let me see how much I spent on this, okay? So I feel like this was $143 is how much I got it for on Lucky Scents, which I feel like it's a good price for it, or $150 for 100 ml. Now, let me tell you something. First and foremost, if you are a gourmand lover, I hear that you are going to love this. So this is actually an unboxing and a first impressions that I'm doing on this, okay? I used to be a heavy gourmand lover. I love gourmands, but I also love woody fragrances. And if you can combine those two and get me that, then baby, I'm sold, okay? But I hear this being compared a lot to, like, if you are in the family, if you like Xerjoff Lira, which I have not really worn much, to be honest with you. But if you like Lira, then you'll like this. So, let's just get into it, okay? So this is the packaging right here. This is the box. Okay, I have not opened it to seal off. So let's see. Bear with me because I got one hand, okay? So just bear with me, y'all. Now, this is what it looks like, as you can see here, okay? And it has on the front here, it says Bianco Latte, 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounce, and this is what it's looking like, okay? So let me bring you the notes first and foremost before we get into smelling what the fragrance smells like, okay? So this fragrance has top notes of caramel, middle notes of coumarin and honey, and base notes of vanilla and white musk. Now these are very, sorry y'all, I had a little disruption. Now these are 5 simple notes, and I feel like, let's see, okay? Because let's just see, all right? So I'm gonna get this out the box. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to, girl, this thing heavy, baby, heavy. Okay. Okay, so here we go. This is a heavy weighted box. It's 100 mLs. And it has, this is a wooden top, and it has the house engraved at the top. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it has, it just says Giardini di Toscana, Ducci, and it has it engraved in the top. All right, so let's see what this juice smells like and if it's giving all the things it needs to get, okay? So I got my test strip, all right? Let's see. So we're gonna spray this one here. That atomizer is a little funky, but okay. I smell it already. Divine. It's gonna give me a sneeze. If you took, okay, so as simple as it is, and as sweet as it is, it still has some sophistication. It's giving a hyped up, almost a, how do you say? It's giving a elevated niche Bare Vanilla by Victoria's Secret. In fact, hold a minute. Let me go get my Bare Vanilla by Victoria's Secret. Now, for y'all that don't know, Shauna J, she is a fellow YouTuber, and she talks about inexpensive scents, and she talks about body splashes, and she raves about Bare Vanilla, okay? And so, if you like Bath & Body Works old school version, old version of warm vanilla sugar, and you wanted an elevated smell of that, that's what this would be. Or Bare Vanilla. So I'm going to spray Bare Vanilla right here. Victoria's Secret just had a little splash sale, and I picked me up another bottle of this. So we're going to spray that right here. No, actually, this is giving more Bath & Body Works warm vanilla sugar. Yeah. It's done actually very well. It's sweet. I feel like this is a gourmand that can be worn all year round. All right, let's try this on the skin. So I'm gonna spray my shoulder. This atomizer is a little funky. I don't like that. We're gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all with my thoughts on what I think, if this is a stay or slay. Should you save your coins, preserve your coins, whatever. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So it's been about 5 minutes, and look at my shoulder, how it's glistening. So that just tells you the concentration of oil that's in this perfume. Look, this is given all year round. It probably will do really well in summer because it's sweet, but it's not cloying and sickeningly sweet. It's giving me along the lines of, with a little less citrus, of Dolce & Gabbana's Devotion. Now, Devotion has a little bit more citrus to it and more honey. You can definitely smell the honey. This has a note of honey in it, but let me tell you something. This, I like it. Is it a stay or a slay? It's definitely a slay. And And when I say it's a slay, because I feel like it's a gourmand that if you love gourmands, this is every gourmand lover's dream. In the sense of, if you like the vanilla kind of gourmands, the sweet, the caramel, if that's what you like, and you want something niche to that, then I feel like this is it. It's not as sickeningly sweet as pink sugar, because pink sugar is sweet, sweet, sweet. Cotton candy sweet. But this gives you a light, airy, fluffy, white, vanilla caramel latte. This is exactly what this is giving you. Bianco Latte. This girl is wearing, she's just soft, first and foremost. She's soft, she's pretty, she's sweet, she's elegant. She's the it girl, but the girl next door it girl. You know what I mean? Like, she is sweet as pie. Okay, so I feel like if you like gourmands, you are gonna definitely love this fragrance. Now, is it giving me niche brand of Warm Vanilla Sugar? Absolutely. And if we talking about Warm Vanilla Sugar from back in the day, Warm Vanilla Sugar, because the Warm Vanilla Sugar now is not like old back in the day, okay, in the 90s and 2000s Warm Vanilla Sugar. It ain't that Warm Vanilla Sugar, because Warm Vanilla Sugar from back in the day was hitting. Okay, it was giving all the things. It was the 1 and the 2 and the 3. But this, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna test this out, especially as it's coming to spring. I feel like this is the perfect gourmand for spring and summer, and this is gonna do really well. And it has, because it's been out for some time now. I'm the one that's just getting it. So, is it a stay or a slay? Bree says it's a slay. And especially if you can get it at the price that I got it from Lucky Scents, I feel like going ahead, check it out. And you won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed. Is it a safe blind buy? Absolutely. Is it different from any other gourmand that you probably have in your collection? No and yes, because I feel like as this is a gourmand and it's sweet, it's not cloyingly sweet, and it still has this fluffiness and airiness to it. So go ahead and get your hands on to it. I think it would layer very well with Warm Vanilla Sugar by Bath & Body Works. It probably will layer very well with Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. I think Bare Vanilla is a little bit more spicy. It would layer well with Esos. In fact, that's what it smells like as well. You know, Esos Vanilla Cream. I think it's Vanilla Cream. I'll put a picture of it. Lotion. That Esos lotion. In fact, I'm not even going to put a picture of it. One moment. If you have Esos 24 Hour Moisture Body Lotion or Body Cream, listen. Or you have Riri's limited edition Butter Drop that came out, because I put y'all on and I told y'all that these were dupes for each other. If you layer either this or this with this, be prepared. They're gonna be sick of you. Like, who is that? Okay? So, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you guys for your continued support. I am still in recovery, and so my hand will be down for about 2 or 3 weeks, and so I'm gonna still try to keep bringing out the content. I'm trying to edit as much as I can, but with this little dilemma here, it's taking me a little longer than normal, so just bear with me, be patient, and as always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.